फ्रेंड्स, मैं डॉक्टर प्रसन्न निरंकारी अपने वीडियो चैनल में आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। फ्रेंड्स, इन दिस वीडियो लिंक वी विल सी अबाउट फंडामेंटल फोर्सेस इन नेचर. So my question is, name the four basic forces in nature. Name the four basic forces in nature. And arrange them in their increasing strength. Their increasing strength. In the microscopic world, we observe. In microscopic world, we observe several kinds of forces. Several kinds of forces, such as muscular force, contact forces of support and friction, contact forces of support and friction, forces exerted by springs and strings, forces exerted by springs and strings, viscous forces, electric forces, magnetic forces, the ratio of strength of the four fundamental forces in nature. The ratio of strength of four fundamental forces in nature. Fundamental forces in nature is as follows. Fg is to Fw is to Fa is to Fs equal to 1 is to 10 to the power 25 is to 10 to the power 36 is to 10 to the power 38. Friends, we will discuss about the gravitational force. Gravitational force. It is the force of mutual attraction It is the force of mutual attraction between two bodies. Between two bodies by virtue of their masses. By virtue of their masses, it is a universal force. It is a universal force. Every body attract every other body of the universe. Every body attract to other body of the universe with this force. With this force. According to Newton's law of gravitation, according to Newton's law of gravitation, the gravitational attraction between two bodies, the gravitational attraction between two bodies of masses m1 and m2, of masses m1 and m2, and separated by distance r, and separated by distance r is given by the formula. The formula is as follows. F equal to capital G m1 m2 upon r square, where G is the universal gravitational constant, where capital G is the universal gravitational constant, whose value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram. square. Important properties of gravitational force. Important properties of gravitational force. It is a universal attractive force. Is universal attractive force is directly proportional to multiplication of masses of body in between two objects. It obeys inverse square law. It obeys inverse square law. In other words, you can say that the gravitational force exerted between two bodies are inversely proportional to square of distance between them. It is a long range force. Is a long range force and does not need any intervening medium for its operation, and does not need any intervening medium, for its operation. Gravitational force between two bodies. Gravitational force between two bodies does not depend upon the presence of other bodies. It is the universal. It is the weakest force known in nature. Weakest force known in nature. It is a central force. It is a central force. It acts along the line. It acts along the line joining the centers of two bodies. Joining the centers of two bodies. It is a conservative force. It is a conservative force. Gravitational force between two bodies is gravitational force between two bodies is thought to be caused by an exchange of particle called graviton. Friends, we will see next force present in nature, and that is electromagnetic force. Second one is electromagnetic force. The force acting between two electric charges. The force acting between two stationary electric charges. According to Coulomb's law, the magnitude of electric force F, electrostatic force F E between 2 point charges. Q1 and Q2 separated by distance R. In vacuum is given by formula Fe equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 into Q2 upon R square, where value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught equal 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb. Where epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space, permittivity of free space. The value of epsilon not equal 8 into 8 point into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. The force acting between two magnetic poles. The force acting between two magnetic poles is called magnetic force. Electrostatic and magnetic forces are electrostatic and magnetic forces are closely interrelated. For example, a moving charge. For example, a moving charge produces magnetic field around conductor and also produces Lorentz force. That is given by formula Fm equal QVB sin theta. Important properties of electromagnetic force. Important properties of electromagnetic force. Electromagnetic force may be attractive or repulsive. May be attractive or repulsive between two similar charges. It is of repulsive and between two opposite charges. It is of attractive in nature. It obeys inverse square law. Obeys the rules of inverse square law. Is a long range force. Is a long range force and does not require any and does not require any intervening medium. Any intervening medium for operations. Is a conservative force. Is a conservative force. It is 10 to the 36 times stronger as compared to gravitational force. So friends, we will see in our next video program electromagnetic nature of some microscopic forces, in which we will study about force of friction, elastic force in string, contact force between two bodies, van der Waals force, force in taut string. So friends, wait for my next video program. Thanks.